if I make a quick video before this video player crashes out. So on my server here, I can type, maybe a good start. Host name for my machine is just called King, and running IP address 10.13. So my domain controller called Marvel, just running Active Directory with a couple of users. So I'm interested in this domain user account. So if I pop back over to my Kali machine, what you want to do is go to GitHub and pull down the ZeroLogon exploit itself, and this is it here. So what we want to do is run this this Python script against your host name and your IP address. So if this is successful, what it does is it actually resets the password for the host name as blank or 0. So you see here, DC domain controller should now have an empty string as its machine password. Great, so that's kind of like step one of what you want to do. And then you want to download the Packet suite itself. And in here, I'm interested in running this Python script itself. What this does is it will spit out the NT hashes and Kerberos keys if it's successful. So just some of the flags you can use. So no pass, I don't have the password, and I want to run just DC, as in give me just the NT ds.data. So if I go just DC, no ass. King is my host name, /$ at 172.20.10.13. Fingers crossed. Here we go. So what it gives me is slow down, the hashes, which I'm very interested in this one here. So I don't need to crack this one. All I need to do is just copy this and use another tool, and what's called passing the hash. So this one here, what I want to use is this string here, dash hashes. I'm going to run this using the hash key rather than password because I don't know the password. So if I go sudo and then Marvel, which is my host name, / administrator account, that, and then the hashes flag, and see what happens. Gotta be a typo. Oh yeah, gotta put the hash in. Just seeing is paying attention. So if I go who am I? So we now have the box. So effectively you can do things like netuser Thor password. I guess in this password can be anything really. Add. Oh. Thor. So if I go back onto my domain controller, scroll down to the bottom here first, do a refresh. And there's Thor. So you can also do, elevate the user accounts who's part of domain users. So you can do things like, I guess, add it to like local group, local administrators. So if I go back into my Kali machine, so if I go net I think that's the command. So let's just check if I come out of this, then go back in. Oh. So now he's a local admin. So pretty much that's the exploit, and that's how you take over the domain controller.